What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you a trick that I've been using in my Mercedes to help avoid accidental speeding fines.
In the UK, we have average speed cameras. When you enter an average speed zone, there are two cameras. Camera A picks up your car and times how long it takes for you to get to camera B to work out your average speed. This means you have to spend the whole time looking at your speedometer to make sure you don't accidentally creep over the limit and get fined. This is dangerous because it means you're less alert and might not react as quickly if something like a child or anything runs into the road.
Luckily, there's a really useful feature that I use every time I drive through an average speed camera zone. Down here on the steering wheel, we have our cruise control buttons, but next to them is actually the speed limiter. Now, if you're familiar with the speed limiter, don't click away from this video because I'm about to show you a trick that I bet you don't know.
If you're not familiar with the speed limiter, you can use it by pressing this button up here. Then you toggle the center button up and down to select the speed, which appears here on the dash. Once you choose a speed, your car will stop you from going over that number. To disable it, you simply press down here on the cancel button.
Now, this is handy, right? But there's actually a hidden feature that not many people know.
This button here is called Res. If you press it, it's going to resume you to the settings you previously used. But there's a much better trick to this button. If you double tap this button, it automatically limits the speed to the legal limit of the road that you're on. So if you enter a speed camera zone, all you need to do is double tap this button and that's it. Your car will automatically pick up the speed limit of that road and stop you from going over. I can't stress enough how good this is if you're on an unfamiliar road and you see a speed camera sign, or simply just adding it to your regular route as you go through residential areas. So there we have it guys, that's just a quick trick I've been using to help avoid speeding fines. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you want more tips, check out this video here with 35 Mercedes tips and tricks, or my video with 12 Mercedes tips for new owners. Thank you so much for watching guys, I'll see you next time.